An NBC News investigation has brought about change here in the state of Texas. Last week, Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 1578 into law. It requires child welfare workers and family courts to consider additional medical opinions before taking children from parents in cases of suspected child abuse. NBC News investigative reporter Mike Hixenbaugh has been following this issue since 2019 with his online series, Do No Harm. Mike, thanks for joining us from Houston. Can you tell us more about what led you to start investigating child abuse misdiagnoses?
Well, in 2018, there was a story that made a lot of news across Texas involving a family called the Brights in Houston. And their story was a case where any parent can imagine this scenario. Mom said that she was outside with two small children trying to wrangle the 2-year-old, and she had set her 5-month-old baby on a lawn chair, and he kicked off and hit his head on concrete. And when they rushed to the hospital, doctors found 2 skull fractures near the site of impact and bleeding around his brain. And that triggered at Texas Children's Hospital a review of the child's medical records by a type of physician called child abuse pediatrician. And these are doctors who are stationed across the state and work with CPS to look at kids' injuries and determine whether or not the injuries match the story parents are telling. And in that case, the doctors filed a report saying that they didn't believe those injuries matched mom's story, and therefore they're concerning for abuse.
Mike, when this new law goes into effect here in Texas September 1st, what exactly is going to change?
Well, what will happen now is what happens now is when a parent shows up at a hospital and CPS gets one of these reports from a doctor, that's it. Often that is the one piece of medical evidence that CPS or a judge looks at. And now, under this law, there will be an opportunity for parents to request that CPS get an additional medical opinion from a different specialist, or they can go and if they get their own medical opinion from a specialist that they choose, CPS and the courts will be obligated to at least take a look at that before they move forward toward removing the child. It's an attempt to bring more information before the court and the child welfare workers.
Really important story. NBC's Mike Hixenbaugh, thank you for your reporting and for joining us this afternoon from Houston.
Thank you.
And we've linked you to more information about the new Texas law and Mike's Do No Harm investigation. You can find it online now at kxan.com.